Welcome to the world of Scratch. Scratch is a fun and easy way to learn programming, designed especially for children. It helps you create your own interactive stories, animations, and games. Learning Scratch will also develop your problem-solving skills and creativity. In this chapter, we will explore Scratch and its features step by step. Scratch, a simple language. What is Scratch? Scratch is a visual programming language in which blocks are used to code. Instead of writing lines of text, you arrange color-coded blocks to give commands. Why is Scratch useful? Scratch makes programming easy and exciting for beginners. It helps you understand the logic of coding and encourages creativity. Fun fact: Scratch's mascot is a friendly orange cat named Scratch Cat. Starting Scratch, open your web browser and go to scratch.mit.edu. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking Join Scratch. Otherwise, click Sign In. Once logged in, click Create from the top menu to start a new project. Fun fact: you can explore projects made by other users in the Scratch community and remix them. Components of Scratch: window, stage, the area where the action happens. It displays your sprites, characters, and their movements. Sprite pane shows all the sprites in your project. You can add or delete sprites here. Script area, the workspace where you arrange code blocks to program your sprites. Block palette, a collection of blocks you can use to create programs. These blocks are grouped into categories. Green flag button starts your project. Fun fact: you can change the stage's background to give your animation or game a unique look. 8.4 Block categories. Scratch has several categories of blocks to make programming easier. Motion blocks control the movement of sprites. Example: move 10 steps. Looks blocks change the appearance of sprites. Example: switch costumes. Sound blocks play sounds and music. Events blocks detect events like clicks or key presses. Control blocks control the flow of the program. Example: repeat or wait. Sensing blocks detect changes. Example: mouse position. Operators blocks perform math. Operations variables blocks create variables to store information. Making a sprite move and jump. Move the sprite. 1. Use move 10 steps block under the motion category to make the sprite walk. 2. Use turn 15 degrees to rotate the sprite. Times make the sprite jump. 3. Use change Y by 50 to make it jump up. 4. Add a wait block and then change Y by -50 to make it land down. 6. Use of selected blocks, broadcast and wait. Send messages between sprites to coordinate actions. Repeat loop. Repeat the same action multiple times. Forever loop. Make an action continue until the program is stopped. 8.7 Duplicating sprite. How to duplicate? Right-click on a sprite in the sprite pane and select Duplicate to create an identical sprite. Use. This feature is helpful if you want the same character to appear multiple times. Changing size of sprite. Shrink or enlarge a sprite. Use the set size to block to define a specific size, e.g. 150%. Change size gradually. Use change size by to increase or decrease the size step by step. Deleting cat sprite. Right-click on the cat sprite and select Delete. You can also remove any sprite you no longer need from your project. Saving a Scratch project. Click File, Save Now to save your work.